All right, let's start this class off by talking about mica powders. Now there's many different brands on the market. These are just a few of the ones that I have. In this class, I'm going to be using Perfect Pearls. The thing that makes Perfect Pearls different from some of the other ones is this one here has a binding agent already mixed into it that is activated by water. So some of the techniques you'll see me just mist some water on top in order to activate it. Sometimes we'll be using it with water. To watercolor and stuff like that, that will activate it. These ones here don't have that mixed in. If you want to use them with water, you would need to add a binding agent. Gum arabic is 1, and it tells you the ratio rate on the bottle. You need one part of this to 4 parts of the pigment, and then you can mix it with water and stuff like that. The other way we're going to use some of these powders is by mixing them into texture paste, gel medium, and that sort of thing. In that case, you don't need to add anything to the powders that don't already have a binding agent in them. Those mediums will do the trick. They will hold everything together and hold the powder in, and you don't need to worry about it falling off your project. So like I said, this is what we're going to use in this class. You absolutely, if you have these, you absolutely can use them, but the techniques that we're going to do that have water with them, you would need to get this, and you would need to add that to your micas in order to use it with that technique. So having said all of that, let's go start making some cards.